This Bermuda cottage, located in Paget, has been extended and renovated and has new electrics, plumbing, windows, kitchen, bathrooms, and much more. To the back of the cottage, there's lots of room to entertain. Put in a jungle gym for the children, or kick a football around. The front garden offers ample parking with tarmac pavement, fencing, and a gate for security. The owner has planted a mango tree that will be removed prior to the sale. All major appliances are included in the sale. Contact Karen Brime, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in Bermuda, for more information on this listing.